This is number 4 in essential elements. Two's a team. So number 2, we use the D string. And number 3, we use the A string. So in number 4, we're combining both the D string and the A string. So my thumb goes on the side of the fingerboard, about halfway between this point and this point. It doesn't go under the fingerboard, it goes on the side of the fingerboard. And I can use first finger to pluck, or I can use second finger to pluck. Doesn't matter. My left hand can be resting on the shoulder of the instrument or down here on my leg. Also, doesn't matter. 1, 2, 3, 4.